today we are gonna make boba. Straight. Period. Okay, so we have this box started. If you want to make boba, you gotta buy it from Costco. And so we got this boba, and then it comes with a straw. So let me just. Okay, so we got these things, a boba and straw. So first, what you have to do is get a cup, of course, right? So first, what you want to do is ask your mom to open it. I don't have my mom right here now for now, but I have these scissors, food scissors. You can buy it somewhere. I don't know where my mom bought it, but you can have food scissors and cut it. So let's cut it. So we got the boba opened, and let's get started. So I'm making this for my mom, and she lets me do all those kind of stuff. She's very nice. My mom is very nice. I love her. So what you need is, it's frozen, right? Boba's usually cold. This is like a square. So what you need to do is put it in the microwave and set it for 50 seconds. So while that's doing it, let's we'll wait 40 seconds. Has everyone seen kim before? Kim is like a seaweed. Kim, that's how you say it in Korean. I'm Korean, so we got milk. First we need ice and then milk, and then we're done. Wait, no, we have to open straw and mix it. That's all. It's done. Make sure not to hold the bottom part. It's hot. It's hot. And you're burning your fingers. Fingers, not fingers. So next we're gonna get a cup of ice. So 5 or 6 cubes or something like that, but make sure not too much cubes. Hold on, let me get one more. Okay, next we're gonna open the milk. No fats. Let's pour in the milk. Wait, hold on. So we need a measure cup first. Yeah. Okay, now we pour in the milk. And make sure to put it to 1 cup. And then pour it nicely, slow. Get the straw, then put it on the side, and then mix it. We got the boba. And then you're done. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you like your boba. Bye.